Hi guys, welcome to Scimath Academy. In today's lesson, I'm going to show you that how to convert percentages into fraction. If you know about the conversion of percentages into fraction, then congratulations. But if you don't know about the conversion of percentages into fraction, then don't worry. In this video, you will learn the complete concept of the conversion of percentages into fraction. For example, what will be 40% in fraction? So 40% is equal to 40 over 100. Because the percent symbol means 1 over 100, right? So we will cancel out the 0 with the 0, which is equal to 4 over 10, or 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 times 5 is 10. So we will cancel the 2 with 2, which is equal to 2 over 5. So 40% is equal to 2 over 5. Now what will be the 75% in fraction? So 75% is equal to 75 over 100. So 75 over 100, 75 times 5 is 75, and 20 times 5 is 100. So we will cancel this 5 with the 5, which is equal to 15 over 20. So 3 times 5 is 15 and 4 times 5 is 20. So cancel the 5 with 5 and write the 3 over 4. So 75% is equal to 3 over 4. What is the 12.5% in fraction? So 12.5% is equal to 12.5 over 100. Now we will multiply 12.5 by 10 and multiply 100 by 10. So 12.5 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 125 over 1000. So 125 divided by 125 divided by 1000 divided by 125, which is equal to 125 times 1 is 125, and 8 times 125 is equal to 1000. So cancel the 125 and 125 and write the remaining term. So 1 over 8 is the answer. So 12.5% is equal to 1 over 8. Now what is the 0.2% in fraction? So 0.2% is equal to 0.2 over 100. Multiply the numerator and the denominator by 10. So 0.2 multiplied by 10 divided by 100 multiplied by 10, which is equal to 2 over 1000. Or 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 500 is equal to 1000. So cancel the 2 with 2 and then write the remaining terms, so which is equal to 1 over 500. So 0.2% is equal to 1 over 500. What is the 3 and 1 over 2% of fraction? So it is 3 and 1 over 2%. So 3 and 1 over 2% is equal to 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 over 2%. So we can write as 7 over 2% is 7 over 2 multiplied by 1 over 100. Right, so 7 times 200, which is equal to, so 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 times 3.5 is equal to 7. Now here we see that there are two zeros, so we will create the decimal point from right to left side and cancel the 1 0. So cancel the 1 0 and create the decimal point from right to left side one place. Again here we will cancel the second 0 and create a decimal point from right to left, right? So it is equal to 0.035, right? 7 over 200, right? So and 1 over 2% is equal to 7 over 200. That is the final answer. What is the 166 whole and 2 over 3% and fraction? So 166 and 2 over 3% is equal to 498 plus 2 over 3%, which is equal to 500 over 3%. 500 over 3 times 1 over 100. So cancel this 100 with this 100, which is equal to 5 over 3. So 166 whole 2 over 3% is equal to 5 over 3. That is the final answer. Here is another question. What is the 2.75% in fraction? So 2.75% is equal to 2.75 over 100. 2.75 multiplied by 100 divided by 100 multiplied by 100, which is equal to 275 over 10,000. 175 divided by 25 divided by 10,000 divided by 25, which is equal to 11 over 400. So 2.75% is equal to 11 over 400. That is the final answer of 2.75%, which is equal to 11 over 400.